This is the FCU, and each location is very bad locations. Anyway, it have a catwalk. I call this way is a catwalk that we can go on by this deal to do to check the testing and commissioning for these FCUs. Here you can see the inside of the ceiling are very small space, and the FCU location is not available to do the commissioning anymore. Now it's my team. Two people, they are inside and they go to check the filter, clean the filter and check the temperatures. But I want to share that please consider about the I want to share that all the installer, the engineering, the designs could consider about the service maintenance, because all the mechanical part, electrical parts, it will be damaged or error, and next day if you don't have a good service to maintenance, you need to cut the ceiling, you need to cut the other way to replace the damaged units, the errors units. Thank you.